Hey guys, I just thought I'm gonna record one more video for you to show you how would I tackle these corners here. So let's just Shift D that and let's just duplicate this. Let's apply the solidification. Okay, apply the bool and the other bool, and also let's enable bevel in view in render because it's important. Now, if you go to edit mode here, you can see clearly that there's a massive angle here, and that's a bit of a problem. So we could run a knife here, so K, and press C to cut through, and let's just do something like this, and space, and then K, C, click here, and run through, and space. It's gonna go through. If it doesn't, just connect it. So, you know, these are all quads, it's important, right? Cool. And then you want to change the miter to arc, which is going to fix a lot of things. You might also increase the subdivision to 3, which is going to smooth things out. And now it's almost perfect. And you can also lower the bevel a bit, 0.005. Yeah, it's going to tuck it in a bit more. And now you see it's just perfect. You know, the shading is perfect, right? So there's nothing to complain about. So if you really wanted to, you know, fix this, you would need to apply the modifiers to fix the geo, because we were using booleans with, you know, with sub D, and you can do this, you know, with every single mesh in here. So for example, if I grab this original mesh here, which is this one, and moved it to backup, same in the front here, you know, that's an angle, you can see that, and there's going to be some pulling. So obviously we need to run a knife here like this. Right click to continue cutting and just cut another one here. This is going to be a little bit more tricky on bent surfaces and curved surfaces, because you're going to be introducing more loops, but then you simply have to create a separation here and deal with that. This one could be connected here and here. These three could be you know, combined, and this one is a rogue vert, so we can combine that, and boom, you know, clean results. Here in the bottom you need the same, so basically, you know, run a loop here and run a loop here, and we're on a flat surface here, so we don't have to worry about these. But if you weren't on a flat surface, you need to terminate these a bit earlier and combine them. So for example, run them a little bit differently, but you know, in our case, we don't really need to worry about that because it's a flat surface, so it's fine. So as long as you have quads, you're good. And then you can see that the front here is, you know, its shading is perfect. There's no artifacts at all. So you can easily use booleans with subdivision and still have very clean geometry. Not a problem at all, as long as you know how to control that. Of course, when you're going to start cutting some serious, you know, massive cuts, then it's going to be a bit more difficult, but generally speaking, it's really easy, okay? Okay guys, that's it for this one. This is a short one. I'll see you in the texturing part.